What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. Today I have the Pixel 8 Pro, and this is my end of year review for 2023. So I'm just going to get started with the design. Google has done a great job with the Pixel 8 Pro design. There's more rounded corners that helps in the hand by offering a better feel. Like, this really genuinely feels good to hold in the hand. Pixel 8 Pro also opted for a satin matte finish versus last year's glossy, which was a kind of a complaint from the 7 Pro, and I'm for this. Last year I had said in my videos I hope that next year Pixel 8 Pro would come with a matte finish, and it does, and it definitely feels really good. In addition, the Pixel 8 Pro, when we flip to the front of the display, it features what Google calls a super actual display with a peak brightness of 2400 nits. It gets super bright, especially outdoors. This is one of the brightest displays that I've ever used on a smartphone, and I applaud Google for this. Why? Because they're really not cutting any corners. They're putting it in an awesome display with a great design. And not only that, they opted for a flat display, which the 8 Pro is just, it feels super good, much better than the 7 Pro, which had that slight curve, and I think that's a huge plus when it comes to display quality. Now, Google made the necessary design changes while keeping the same familiar flagship Pixel design. Good job, Google. I'm all for this. If you were looking for a more refined design, this is it with the Pixel 8 Pro. Let's talk about the performance. And Pixel 8 Pro performance, Tensor G3. Now, it's not the most powerful chip when you put it to test against other chipsets like the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 or the Apple A17 Pro, and especially when it comes to numbers. Like, it's not up there. That's okay. That's really okay. It doesn't need to be powerful because the day-to-day performance is more than enough with the Pixel 8 Pro. This is paired with 12 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, but you can go with more storage if you'd like. Now, in my day-to-day use, Pixel 8 Pro has not faced any hiccups or any bugs whatsoever, and Android 14 has been very smooth, and this user interface, or the skin on the Pixel 8 Pro of Android, Pixel Launcher, I guess, whatever you'd like to call it, it's my favorite of any Android OEM. Samsung's One UI, I was going to say TouchWiz, that was way back in the day. One UI is nice, and other OEMs have nice touch-ups with Android, but this is where it's at. This is where Android is at. Google makes sure that they're offering the best software experience on their devices. Now, Tensor G3 also works really well with Google's AI features that's built into the 8 Pro, like things for the camera, like Best Take and Magic Editor. It's not a slouch. And Google is now offering 7 years of software updates. That means the Pixel 8 Pro is expected to receive software updates up until like 2030. That means we can have a Pixel 8 Pro running Android 21. So yeah, I'll see you guys in 7 years talking about the Pixel 8 Pro running Android 21. I can't wait for that video. That sounds really exciting. But all in all, day-to-day performance has been really good. If you're looking for a device that runs very smooth and will get you throughout the day and tackles everything at ease, Pixel 8 Pro is going to be that device. Good job, Google. Keep it up. Let's talk about the cameras now. And I gotta tell you, this setup has been great. The 50 megapixel main camera is my go-to when I'm just gonna use it for taking photos, especially for photos. I love how Google just optimizes it with their saturation and all of that stuff. It's right on point. I don't know how to explain it, but I don't know. I just like how the results come out when compared to other devices like the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now, Google made the necessary improvements to offer more detail and true to life colors. I guess we can call it true to life, and that's what I think. That's how I feel with the results of the photos, especially in low light environments. It does really feel true to life. And in addition, there are a bunch of new cool camera features that work through AI like Magic Editor, Best Take, and even Audio Magic Eraser. But my favorite still is just Magic Eraser. Like if I'm taking a photo and I want to get rid of something, all I gotta do is just erase it and I'm all set to go. I literally just love opening the camera app, taking a photo, and there you go. I'm all set to go. So if you are in the camera department looking for a phone with a great camera, Pixel 8 Pro is going to be that device. And I'm genuinely saying this because I've used it and I enjoy it and I can recommend it. And now let's head over into the battery life department and how it performs. And here it is. It definitely has improved with its predecessor, the Pixel 7 Pro. It lasts me all day, but really that's about it. And I'm a heavy user, so I gotta charge it every night. And if I try to use it just a little bit more, I'm gonna have to charge it towards the end of the night. But here's the thing. I charge it during the night while I'm sleeping anyway, so the charging speed, it's not the fastest, but I don't need to worry about it. I found a workaround for that. I'm charging it at night, I wake up in the morning, it's already at 100, and it optimizes the charging speeds anyway, so it doesn't charge up to 100 right when I plug it in. It makes sure that it slowly gets there, and that helps with the battery life and the degradation and just the battery health overall of the phone. So by the time I wake up, it's at 100, but it doesn't get there right away. Now there is also wireless charging, which is a plus since some companies are still adamant on not adding it to their devices. And I did pick up a MagSafe charger case, or a MagSafe case. I was going to say MagSafe charger, but a MagSafe case with this. So I just pop it on one of my MagSafe wireless chargers, and I'm all set to go. So there you have it. Like battery life, it's good. It's decent. It'll last you if you're a light user and you don't really use your phone too often throughout the day. This will easily get you to the second day. I briefly want to just mention about the pricing because that does play a role for many people. But even with all the improvements this year, Google did raise the price to $9.99, but that's okay. Why? Because you're going to be getting the best that Google has to offer. I think for $9.99, yeah, that's an expensive for any device or any type of thing. $9.99 is expensive. But for what you're getting with the Pixel 8 Pro, I think it's definitely worth it. And in addition, Google frequently has deals on the Pixel 8 Pro, and you could have picked one up for as low as $7.99 during the Black Friday period, but I'll be leaving links in the description down below and direct product links to the Pixel 8 Pro. I can easily recommend this, and rest assured, this will definitely go on sale in the future as well, so definitely be sure to stay tuned for upcoming deals and when the Pixel 7 Pro or Pixel 8 Pro does go on sale. But overall, I'm super happy with the Pixel 8 Pro, and it has easily become one of my all-time favorite devices to come out in 2023. In fact, the Pixel 8 Pro has also become even easier to recommend because of the subtle yet much needed improvements that really does enhance the user experience. I honestly believe that, this is Google's best device, but I also believe it. It really is, and it does speak to the user. It brings a great value of an experience, and that is what personally I look for, and I know many others look for that as well. If you're out on the market and you're in need for an upgrade, then look no further. Pixel 8 Pro will impress. Pixel 8 Pro is the device to go with. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, be sure to superman the like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel a lot and will help push my content out to more people. That's been it for me. I'll catch you guys in the next episode.